An upholstery extractor is a tool that removes embedded dirt and cleaning residue from furniture to produce deeper and longer-lasting cleanliness. An extractor works by spraying a measured amount of cleaning solution and then immediately applying suction to pull the solution and loosen soils back out. So start by pre-testing an inconspicuous spot for color fastness and odor. Use a mild, pH-balanced upholstery cleaner for delicate fabrics and a stronger, water-soluble cleaner for heavy soiling, and dilute according to the manufacturer to avoid overwetting. Agitate gently with a soft bristle brush or a microfiber towel to loosen fibers without damaging pile, working along the nap direction when possible to maintain fabric appearance. Set the extractor to a low flow for delicate fabrics or a higher flow for durable synthetics, then pass the upholstery attachment slowly over the area to maximize recovery of soil and moisture. Work in small sections, finishing each by extracting with plain water only to rinse out cleaning residue and make a second pass over any remaining damp areas to remove excess water. Allow thorough drying by increasing air circulation with fans and by keeping humidity low to prevent mold growth and to ensure the fabric returns to its normal hand and appearance. Common mistakes include leaving cleaning residue in the fibers because users skip the final water rinse. So always follow with a water-only extraction pass to remove soap films. Another issue is overwetting, which can cause shrinking and dye bleeding, so control spray volume, work in sections, and extract immediately after spraying to limit soak time. A third frequent problem is agitation that is too harsh, which can fray or flatten pile. So use a soft bristle brush or towel and make gentle, consistent strokes along the nap. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide practical resources related to deep upholstery, cleaning, and other home work. Our discussion community helps both homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find mutually beneficial opportunities.